here. Not too bad for the most part. Looks like right here. Still got a little give, but I mean, everything else solid. And to look on the inside, you can see that new frame right there. And I think, for the most part, that held up pretty, held up pretty well. So now I'm just gonna see if I can get a few more to fit and go from there. Where to put you, where to put you, where to put you. Oh. In case you're wondering how I know which one goes where, I labeled them, you know, just numbered them. Each frame had, like, this is number 3, and I just put, you know, 3 right, 3 left, 3 up, 3 down, and then I went on the wall and went by numbers.